Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a secure cloud environment with Amazon AWS, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin building a secure cloud environment with Amazon AWS, create an AWS account if you haven't done so already. Once your account is set up, log in to the AWS Management Console. Start by setting up an Identity and Access Management, or IAM, user for day-to-day activities. Avoid using the root user for everyday tasks to reduce security risks. Configure multi-factor authentication, or MFA, for your IAM user to add an extra layer of security. Next, create IAM policies that define permissions needed for your users. Assign these policies to specific users or groups based on their roles. Now, navigate to the AWS VPC service to set up a virtual private cloud. Create a new VPC to isolate your AWS resources. Add necessary subnets within your VPC for better organization of resources. Configure route tables to define how traffic flows between your subnets. Set up network access control lists, or NACLs, to provide additional layer of security. Next, move to the security groups for your instances to control inbound and outbound traffic. Ensure your security groups adhere to the principle of least privilege. Launch your EC2 instances within the secure VPC you have created. Choose an appropriate Amazon machine image, or AMI, that meets your needs. Once your instances are launched, securely access them through SSH or RDP. Next, implement AWS Security Hub to get a comprehensive view of your security posture. Utilize CloudTrail to log and monitor account activity across your AWS infrastructure. Set up Amazon GuardDuty to detect malicious activity or unauthorized behavior. Regularly review security group settings and IAM user permissions. Consider using AWS Config to audit and monitor configurations of your AWS resources. Implement encryption for data at rest using AWS Key Management Service, or KMS. Use AWS S3's built-in security and access control features for your storage needs. Regularly update your AWS resources to protect against vulnerabilities. Conduct periodic security assessments and audits to ensure compliance and best practices. Finally, develop an incident response plan to prepare for potential security breaches. With these steps completed, you will have established a secure cloud environment using Amazon AWS. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.